Welcome back to my channel. In this video I did a orange blown out, like, it's not really smoky. I just used one eyeshadow and just really put it all over my lid and crease, and then I did a wing, and then an orange and brown ombre lip, and then I did a speed through of this hairstyle that I did. If you'd like to see how that turned out, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Okay, so I'm starting with my eyebrows done and my lids already primed, and I'm going to go in with this Beauty Glaze palette, and I'm going to take this orange right here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in my crease. Now I'm going to take some of this e.l.f. Camo concealer. It's just in a really light shade, and I'm going to put a little bit of that on my lid so it'll make the other orange I'm going to apply pop more. Went back in with the same orange and put that on my lid instead, because this orange one was not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. So let's use this to do this one. I got it on Amazon for like $7, so I do recommend these. I got this one, and I also got this one, which has more like pink shades in it. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my my base, and then I'll come back and we'll finish up the eyes. Okay, so I just went and added a wing, and now I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop cream gel eyeliner in, I think it's Prance. No, it's in Puppy. And I'm just going to put that in my waterline. You can see it a little bit. Not that much. It's okay. I'm going to go apply my lashes, and then we'll come back and we'll do lips, and then hair. Woo. Now let's do lips and then we'll be finished. I'm going in with this Colourpop Ultra Matte lipstick and Punch Bowl. No, and Told You So. Take that. So for today's outfit, I have on my American Eagle jeans, my black boots, and then I just have on like this white cami type top, and then this boyfriend blazer. It's like orange and black plaid. I got it from Forever 21.